The purpose of this experiment is to determine how the size of a tablet determines the rate of reaction. For that, we're going to work with a whole tablet, a tablet broken in two parts, in 4/4, and then we're going to crush the tablet in the mortar with the pestle in order to have a powder form. Here we can find all the materials that we're going to use: a graduated cylinder to measure the volume, a mortar and a pestle, a stopwatch, the tablets, and our table of results where we're going to record the data. We're going to pour 50 milliliters of water into the beaker. We're going to first pick up the whole tablet and hold it above the water surface. We get our stopwatch ready, and we're going to drop the whole tablet and at the same start stop the stopwatch. We're going to stir the water gently with the glass stirring rod. And we're going to watch how the tablet is dissolved in the water. We can still see the tablet here. So we stir every in a while to help with the dissolution. And whenever we see that all the solid material of the tablet has dissolved in the water, we stop the stopwatch and we write the time value in the results table. So for the whole tablet we have 1 minute 15 seconds. So the whole tablet has dissolved in 1 minute 15 seconds. The second experiment, we're going to do it with the tablet divided in two parts. So we follow the same procedure. We'll prepare with the stopwatch and start. You can still see the two parts of the tablet. So we wait till they are all dissolved. And if we stir, we try to stir the same amount of time that we stirred with the first beaker, because stirring is our control variable. Once we observe that all the solid has been dissolved, we stop the stopwatch and we record the value of 1 minute in the table of results. We're going to proceed with the quarters of the tablet. Here you can see that we have our first error, that we have some powder that we're not using. We're going to analyze this in the conclusions and in the error analysis. Again, we prepare the stopwatch and we drop them. In the meantime, I can start crushing in the mortar the other tablet. So whenever we see that it's totally dissolved, we stop the stopwatch, and now we have, for this quarter of a tablet, we have 55 seconds. And we do the last experiment using the powder. So again, start the stopwatch. So in this case, it's all dissolved after 32 seconds. We are going to repeat this experiment a total of 3 times and take the average to make your results valid.